Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today we have a question. It says that if you multiply a 5-digit number, that is A, B, C, A, B, we do not know what is A, what is B, what is C, right? And you multiply it with a single digit number, that is A, and you get this answer, right? It is a 6-digit number, right? So this is our operation. Operation is multiplication. We are multiplying a 5-digit number. If you look at the pattern, you see here that A is repeating, B is repeating, and we have just one C, and we have this A, right? So the thing is, we need to figure out what is A, what is B, what is C, right? Now we need to look at the pattern here. If we see, they say if I start multiplying, I will start multiplying this A with this B, right? A times B, whatever I have, A or whatever I have B, A times B is what? It is showing 1 here, right? So if we figure out this, we know we cannot get 1 if we multiply 2 with something or any even number with something, right? That will be an even number. We can only get 1 by multiplying with an odd number, right? So if I take 3, I know 3 times 7 is what? 21, like that. So unit digit is 1. So if one of them is 3 or one of them is 7, we will get 1. And we know that 9 times 9 is also 81. Then as well you get unit digit 1. But if you look here, we do not have these numbers same. These numbers are different. A and B are different. Since they are different letters, so they represent different numbers, right? So one of them is 3 and one of them is 7. Now we'll have to figure out which one is 3. Either A is 3 or B is 3. Okay. So if A is 3, suppose, and then if this A will also be 3, and 3 times 3 is 9, and sometimes we get carry as well, it can become 11, right? Okay. So 3 will fit here. If I say A is 7, then this A will also be equal to 7, and 7 times 7 will be 49, and we have just 11 here. It should at least be 49 here or more than 49, right? So I don't think A will be 7. A is what? 3, right? So if A is 3, B is 7, right? So now I know that A is 3. I will write here 3 instead of E, A, write like that, okay? So here B is 7. I will write here 7, right? This is 3, right? So this is 7 and A is 3. Now we know 3, 7, C, 3, 7 multiplied with 3. And we are getting this number. So now I need to figure out C. Suppose I do not know this number, but I know 3, right? I say this number is D, this whole number. So then we know that D multiplied 3 is equal to what? This number, 6-digit number, right? Okay. If I need to figure out what D is, what will I have to do? I can divide with 3 on both sides. I will have to reverse the operation. Then D will be equal to, if I multiply this 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 by, divide this by 3. Now if you divide, 3 3s are 9, right? 2, then you take 1, 3 7s are 21, then you take another one here, and then because you cannot divide 1 by 3, so you will write a 0 here, then you take another one, then 3 3s are 9, right? And then 3 7s are 21. Now if you see, we have actually figured out what is this number. This number is 0. So C is what? C is 0, B is 7 and A is 3, right? So now we know what is A, B, C. So in these types of problems, you will have to figure out what numbers can fit in these places, okay? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.